Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Queen Elizabeth Community, guys. Today I am come up with another very exciting and amazing project. As you can see, the Skyrexo, you can see this amazing project, the trading project. Before we're gonna discuss it, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for my further upcoming amazing video notifications for you guys. And also I want to say that I'm not a financial advisor and this is not a financial advice. Do your own research. For every investment you make, this video is only for educational purpose, right? Now let's start this amazing project. You can see the Skyrexo. Sign up this account. You can put your email, password and referral code, and then you just simply sign up this amazing and part B of this, and also you can sign in and continue with it, guys. So that's how simple you can to do. And also you can check their statistics, their total unrealized PL, the per trade and USDT, everything, the recent trade. You can check their statistics. And also guys, you can check that the terminal that they have, the terminal, you can check their account balance. You can also check the total assets and the change 24 hours, which you can see the price, the amount, the total, everything is sharing and on record. You can check this out, the total assets. You can guys check this out. And also something important about this amazing project, they have the boots, like they aggregate the statistics and the boot list, the boot, an idea to execution. Build your own live boot from the scratch and copy, and you can create the new boot. And also simply just use simple alert the boot, turn the trading view, another alerting into the trends. And also you can copy the trading boot, guys. So that's how also they have, you are simply set the trading and you can copy their boots. And I'm showing you that you can check the momentum alligator, and also that you can copy this boot, AI powered boot, and you can just simply put the amount. You have to, minimum amount you input is 500 USDT, and you can also available, check the price available, and you can just simply click the copy button and you can see that we gonna check. You can also check the balance allocated, the profit sharing, the trades, the total PL. You can see that, and you can also, you can start, you can edit, you can delete. You have a lot of options you can produce. And also you can check this out, this offer has for you guys. And also you can check their subscription, guys. You can see that they have subscription. And also you can invite your friends and family. You invite, you just simply copy the link, and after copying the link you have just simple go and get your friend, and you can share with them so that they get benefit from it. And you can share, click register and get the payment. You can check the withdrawal. Also you can put the amount to withdraw 0 USDT, minimum 10. And also you can check the TRC20 wallet address. You can check, and also you can just simply submit your, this is the withdrawal request. You can put it in out. And also guys, a big news for you that they are recently integrated Bitmart exchanges, and they have 2 campaigns. You can see the Bitmart rewards up to 600 USDT. Sign up via this website link. You can join right now so that you can be the part of. And also they're mentioning the time, the date, the seconds. You can check this out. And also the campaign detail, that what are the details. So don't miss out. First 100 new users only take one task. A new user sign up to 100 USDT in rewards, and also the task to deposit to win up to the 600 USDT grand prize deposit volume rewards. And you can check the future bonus Skyrexo up to 600 USDT per user. Register now, deposit now, and you can just simply trade right now. You can check the rules and terms so you can read it out so that you can get benefit from it. And also you can check their other campaign, which I show you the 2 campaigns, the Bitmart X compete, trade, and earn up to the 5,000 USDT. They have the 2 campaigns. I earlier discussed, and then you can see right now the second one, in which you can compete, you can trade, you can earn up to guys 5,000 USD. There the total price pool you can check, the trading volume you can check. You can see their price, that if you get the 190 USDT the first prize, and the second prize which is 90 USDT, third prize which is 65, and fourth prize which is 30, and the fifth prize which is 30 also. So win up to 5,000 USDT in the tournament with the prize for the volume ranking and lucky draw of raffle. And the requirements, you can check this out. You can how to be claim the prices in extra. You can check the trending volume ranking. You can also check this timeline, the event rules and regulations, how you can sign up stage, you can compete, everything is mentioned. So you can go and check these two campaigns details, and you can invite your friends so that you get benefit from it. This is an outstanding opportunity for a massive benefit. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.